In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to your Wix blog. Whether you want to add some background music, a podcast, or any other type of audio file, I'll guide you through each step to make your blog post more engaging. Let's get started. First things first, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to wix.com. This is where everything begins. Once you arrive at the Wix homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you haven't already created one, you can sign up using your Gmail, Facebook, or any email address. Having multiple login options can make the process smooth and flexible, especially if you're already logged into one of these accounts. Now that you're logged in, head over to your editor. This is the Creative Hub where you'll be able to make all necessary changes to your blog. On the left hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu with various options. Click on Add Elements. This will bring up a new set of options related to different types of media you can incorporate into your blog. From there, select Video and Audio, and finally choose Audio Player. This feature is specifically designed to help you add audio to your pages seamlessly. Once you've chosen the audio player, it's time to add it to your blog post. You can do this by simply dragging the audio player and dropping it to the exact spot on your post where you want it to appear. This step is really intuitive, just like moving icons around on a desktop. Next, we need to upload the audio file that you would like to feature. In the player settings panel, you'll see an option to either upload a new file from your computer or select an existing one from your Wix Media Manager. If you're choosing to upload a new file, make sure it's saved in a format that the platform supports, which usually includes MP3 or WAV files. Once your file is uploaded, you have the creative liberty to customize how your audio player appears to your readers. You might want to add a title that hints at the content of the audio, a brief description, or even a cover image to make it visually appealing. Wix offers various customization options, so feel free to make this space truly yours. And there you have it, a concise way to embed audio into your Wix blog. By following these steps, you're not only adding another dimension to your content, but also engaging your audience in a whole new way. Thanks for watching, and now it's your turn to get creative with audio on your Wix blog. Happy blogging!